make sure you know the answers of that question.
And be patient. That's really, you need to be patient. That's not gonna happen like...
Okay, she hates me.
Takes a little minute to warm up, but I'll get there.
Yo,
What's up? It's raining outside,
Oh my god, it's
so
really big rain.
we plan to watch sunset. Actually, now we are in Canggu area.
So basically we plan to go to Canggu at sunset and stuff, but everything is postponed due to the beautiful rain. So we will just have a drinks and eat.
Yeah.
Basically.
So yeah, before we thinking that maybe we could have a beautiful dinner and sunset, but yeah, as you see, it's raining, and I don't know, where do you wanna to go for dinner, honey?
I think we will go for dinner to the Oldsman because they still have a promotion for burger and bintang or burger and cola. Just 50k if you wanna have a
So
burger.
$4, right?
Or 70k with bintang, which is $5, and you have a big burger, fries, and bintang, which is super cool. And then maybe we'll have another drinks in La Brisa at night because we never show you La Brisa at night. It's open, very beautiful place, very tropical, Canggu vibe. So basically today will be everything about Canggu and some extra bonus what we're not gonna tell you yet.
All right, I'll show you how is the raining in Canggu.
Yes, show them how it's rain.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both want it.
Do I have a nice hairstyle already?
You still about your hairstyle, yeah?
Oh my god, I love my hairstyle.
So we just arrived to the Batu Bolong. It's a little bit rainy here, so I will be very quick to talking because my camera is not waterproof. We're just gonna make you few snaps how it looks on the beach and the parking area, and we're gonna go to Oldsman.
Call for you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain.
This is 50k actually, as you see. Look, the big patty beef burger, fresh and ready to eat.
Juicy.
50k.
That's really the best burgers in Canggu so far.
Ooh.
Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah,
rainy. Alright guys, it's very hot like always in Bali, but yeah, it's super rainy right now. And we're gonna go now to, what's called the place, I forgot, La Brisa. We're gonna have a coffee there or something chilling, cause not much we can do cause it's rainy.
Oh jeez, that was a handsome guy with the surfing board. I should record him.
And
But your face blocked it.
better than my nose block it. However, you can go outside and catch him because it's rainy. I will make a laugh.
Oh, okay, next time. Aha! I got this handsome guy. Honey, slow down lah, slow down. I should make a snap a little bit of him.
Oh my god.
So now we are heading to La Brisa. Ooh, this is a new restaurant, I think. I mean, in the corner.
Yeah, it's La Fabrica or Fabrica Pizza. Over there is something, but this BB 552 burgers is new.
Yeah, we will see next time.
Yeah, next time. So dark, by the way, here. I think will be not many people in La
Brisa.
in La Brisa today.
Well, let's see. Normally on the weekend, La Brisa is full of guests.
Normally, yeah, but it's not normal
Yeah.
situation right now. It's lucky as they are still open actually. And
Yeah.
this is
6:39 now.
and this is Aston Hotel in Canggu, or is what's the called the hotel? I forgot.
And then, yeah. So we are on
On the way, and this
the
is
way,
La
and this
Brisa.
is La Brisa.
By the way, they have a beautiful road with the lights. Entrance is very nice. Small, but nice. Bumpy, so sorry for shakiness.
So La Brisa actually is the same. What is it? The family of la restaurant like La Favela, La Brisa, La Plancha. So they are in the same family group. So it's called La Familia. Oh, look at that from the outside. You see the light? Beautiful.
Alright, so we're heading into the La
So,
Brisa.
We are in La Brisa actually, honey. Yeah. as
But
you
it's
see-
raining.
It's
Yeah, under the
raining.
umbrella.
We are under the umbrella.
Oh, put umbrella like this, honey.
Yeah, it's raining actually.
Yeah, we will have a coffee. We will see how is the situation over here. By the way, beautiful place. It's already night, but it's very nice, right?
Yeah.
You give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
Right, guys. So we just had the coffee, chilling little bit, dinner, and now we wanna make something little bit bonus and talk little bit about us. And the idea what we're gonna talk now is just after yesterday night we watched the movie called Crazy Rich Asians.
Yeah, so last night we watched movie. I know that this is a quite old movie actually.
It's 2 years old, from 2018, and this
then-
is video recorded mostly in Singapore, and it's about rich Asian people. However, even they was really rich, a lot of cultural aspects and the topics was like in general Asian people have the mix between Asian culture and Western European culture, and that's why we decided we will talk a little bit about that because it's very accurate. And I think
Yeah, I know that Damian miss Singapore so much.
I really like Singapore,
yeah.
to be honest.
Right.
But this video is not really about Singapore, it's about Asian culture. Because Singapore, Indonesia and everywhere in Southeast Asia, the culture is very similar.
Yeah. So, because last night we watched that movie, now we would like to talk about the similarities, yeah, the culture, the similarities culture that we found after we watched the movie is that we just remember, for me especially, I just remember like the first time Damian came to Southeast Asia, and then came to Bali, Indonesia, and then the first time I introduced him to my family.
That was exactly the same scene, like I forgot the name of the actress, but the lady who was the Chinese American lady and the boyfriend was Singaporean guy. He invited her to introduce her to his family in Singapore, and that was exactly the same. Like I come first time to Bali, not first time to Bali, but I come to Bali and Winnie introduced me to his to her family and your dad.
And then the first question of my family to him and asked him, what is your job? Remember, for you guys, if you want to date an Asian lady,
Prepare
like
yourself.
me.
Already prepare yourself.
Prepare yourself if your lady's parent or your man's parent will ask, what's your job, what you are doing, something like that. And even after that, I remember that the second question what my dad asked him is, how old are you?
Yes, the age. The age is
don't know.
also important. I don't really know why actually. What's the really matter? But yeah, what is your age?
And then when he told my dad about his age, and my dad like, what?
Yeah.
What? You are so young, man.
Because actually, interesting thing is also as I'm just little bit, really little bit.
Because you are sedikit younger than me.
Sedikit
He's younger than me actually.
but just not so much younger. It's not a big
Yeah.
difference. And also one more very important question for you, for sure, if you are in a relationship or you wanna be in the relationship, your or her parents will ask if you're planning to stay, let's say, in Bali or in Singapore or in China, or doesn't matter where.
In Southeast Asia countries.
Cool. And this is very common question, and this is very serious question actually, because many people, I also know from the experience, and you, Hani, probably know from the experience, many people will come to Bali and have a short-term relationship, which is, somebody will wants to have just fun, some
So,
other people wants to,
just
so
have fun,
mostly
like
about
holiday,
fun or long holiday. Let's
like
say
short-term relationship, and then just and then go.
yeah,
something like
many
that.
people also coming for, let's say, only half year, and then they just got bored or run out of money, or I don't know, for many other reasons. Okay, bye, was nice to meet you. And this is the serious problem. Not problem, but this is serious thing for the parents.
Yeah. So the next question, like what my dad asked him is, are you planning to stay or just like living and have fun in Bali?
That's true.
That's the third question from my dad. And then what you said?
I'm planning to stay in Bali. However, it took a little while him to make little bit of trust of me, right, on me, because I truly understand. If I will have a daughter, I will probably think the same. But this is typically for differences between Asian and, let's say, European cultures. And in my family probably will never ask if I gonna stay in Poland or I gonna go to Winnie's country. But here was the very important question.
Yeah, because like Western cultures and East cultures, let's say Asian cultures, is totally different, right? Maybe like in Balinese, Hindus, we believe like, or maybe in other religion, Muslim religions, like we believe like you are not allowed to live together before marriage.
Yeah, that's
so
that's,
if
that's
you
true.
decide to live together, so it means like
And also,
you have to marry first and then you can live together.
exactly, and
something like
exactly
that.
the same thing was yesterday's in the video. Like this boy introduced her girlfriend to her mother. She said straightforward, "No, you can't stay in my house." So they just stay in the famous, world-famous Singaporean hotels called Raffles.
Raffles Hotel.
Doesn't matter. This is not advertising for the hotel. However,
Well, we will just, I don't know. I say like, I just want to say like, this is quite the similarities of the culture among the ASEAN, Southeast Asian countries.
Yeah.
Like, the parents especially, they will ask you lots of questions whenever you plan to have a serious relationship. So that's why, guys, if you plan to date Asian girl or you plan to have a serious relationship, so please make sure you know the answers of that question.
and be patient. That's really, you need to be patient. That's not gonna happen like.
Okay, she hates me.
Takes a little minute to warm up, but I'll get there.
I mean, you're not gonna build the trust just from the first meet. I mean, the 100% trust, of course. Basically, we fully recommend the video Crazy Rich Asians. Obviously, they are about the very super rich Singaporean people. But the video about the rich aspects is just little bit, it's more likely about the differences of cultural differences and how they struggle. This is really very nice video if you would like to learn more about the differences of the cultures and Southeast Asian culture.
Because I know that maybe some of you, our viewers on YouTube, asking that, curious to date an Asian girls especially, and also maybe some of you who are mixed married couple, I would like to say hello. Maybe you guys who are mixed married couple, you can share your experience, how you deal with the Asian
Exactly.
parents.
We met some couples like European, Australian, American, generally
With
Western,
Indonesian.
with Indonesian and Balinese, and literally everyone have a story, and mostly they are interesting stories. We will tell our story, but later in the future, not yet. But we will make a special video about our story, right?
Yeah.
That's also will be interesting. And I think that will be enough for today's vlog.
Yeah.
A little bit different, little bit spontaneous, because the weather was surprising us. Was the beautiful sunny hot day, and then was the rainy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope so you enjoyed anyway.
Yeah, if you want to know more about, what is it like, how to build a serious relationship with Asian ladies or anything about...
Especially with Balinese, I can help you guys.
He's the expert.
I'm the expert.
Alright, we would like to say
thank
you so much
to every patron
for everyone who support us in Patreon.
Patreon is the special
Patreon.
service who help people like our viewers, like you guys, can support us and any other YouTuber. This is special dedicated website service. It's called Patreon. I will put the link, always is actually link on the description. Actually, I never share it to anyone. I just put this link from the beginning of our YouTube, and in the past few weeks we got a few new patrons, which is we are so glad as you are with us and enjoy and appreciate what we do. Basically, you can just buy us the coffee like now. Thank you so so much, really appreciate. However, it's not obligatory. You can just still enjoy our videos, no need to do anything. However, if you would like to help us,
yeah, just thank you for those people who really appreciate what we do, like, you know, support us in Patreon. Thank you so much.
alright, that's really been enough for today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya guys, take care.
Mwah.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I